Down here at Long Beach Tofino. Say hello. Look at that over there. See that? The mist in the trees, the colors. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. The mist is rolling over the mountain over there. Does it ever look wild? What we're going to do is, since we put our feet in the Arctic Ocean, now we're going to walk down and let the waves roll up over our feet, and we'll be in the Pacific Ocean. We can't go in too deep because the water is very cold. There's actually a warning. The water is too cold to swim in.
Unless you have a wetsuit.
Yeah, you gotta have a wetsuit like those people over there. Those keep you from freezing. So we're just gonna walk down and let the waves roll over our feet. Look at these big snaky things. Some sort of seaweed. And here we go. Wow, look at the view here. The Pacific Ocean at Tofino. This place is called Incinerator Rock. And it's my guess that the tide is out now. That it will come up. You can tell on those rocks, eh? How high it should be. Should be higher. The ground is cold. What's that, a broken bottle? Oh. It looked like it, eh? Yeah. The sand is cold.
It was nicer yesterday in
on
the
our
sun
feet.
When
we got bare feet here. Oh, and here we go. Here we go. We're getting our feet into the Pacific Ocean. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is cold. Oh look, honey.
Yeah.
Here it comes. Woo-hoo. Ha ha ha! All right, that's enough for me.
That was warmer yesterday when the sun was shining on it.
Oh my! Yeah. Now, which was colder, the Arctic or the Pacific?
The Arctic.
Yeah, the Arctic was colder, but that was cold. You couldn't swim in there. Or you wouldn't want to.
It's about a good 10 degrees.
Yeah. It would be the polar plunge. So there you go, we did it. We've now dipped our feet in the Arctic Ocean and in the Pacific Ocean. I don't think we'll be getting to the Atlantic Ocean anytime soon. Well, one day we'll be dipping our feet into the Atlantic Ocean.
There's always hope.
There's always hope. Look at that over there, eh? In between the rocks.
I know.
Wow. We'll take a walk over there after and have a look.
Yep.
But for now, we're going to warm up our feet, dry them off, get our shoes back on. We just had a nice snack here. So yeah, we'll get our feet dried off, shoes back on, put away our stuff, and go for a walk. All right. Ciao for now. All right, we're back. We got footwear on. Whew, that was cold on the foots, on the toes. Now we thought we'd come check this out. Look at this passage. Isn't that neat? Wow, big tree growing on there. Huh. This is so cool. I hope the camera gives it a good feel. For what it truly is. It's very neat. Wow. And this is called Incinerator Rock. Huh. You see the fog rolling in the distance. When we first got here, you could see all that. Now, the fog's over it all. It's all in the fog. Wow. Little fort over there. Long Beach Tofino. Last night we were here and we walked, geez, probably about 4 kilometers down the beach, eh?
Yeah.
We walked pretty far.
And then back.
Yeah, and then back. Well, I wonder if it was 4 kilometers or 2 kilometers each way. I don't know, but whew. We did a lot of walking in here in Tofino and Ucluelet, in this area. And look at that. The waves are rolling. And the sand is very condensed. Like you could ride a bicycle on this easily.
This is like Lake Superior. Remember when we were at Lake Superior?
Yeah, very similar, eh? The stones. The rocks at Lake Superior were like this. Well, yeah. So I'm guessing high tide is where this. Yeah, where the barnacles are. Cool. Now you can go on that rock. Yeah, it doesn't even leave footprints. That's how condensed this sand is. Like, yeah. And it's low tide. Or it's going low. Yesterday it was much higher when we were here.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. The edge of the Pacific Ocean. You got all sorts of people that are out there surfing.
Yeah.
The surfers are still out. Diehards. Yeah. Now when we first got here, you could see out there. Now it's all fog. The fog's rolled in. You can't see where we walked to.
It's about 7 p.m. right now.
Yeah. A little after 7, I think. And this is
Okay, where were we when we walked in the water?
right over here, near the point, near the end of that. So the water's gone out somewhat.
Yeah. Well, here comes some waves. Let's see how far.
Yeah, we were right at the end, the point here.
They're where we were.
Yeah. Oh, what's that?
Barnacles on an oyster.
Barnacles on an oyster. See, we were about here. Careful. A rip tide will pull you right out there. Tina likes her waterproof boots. They're jumping like in a puddle. It's pretty dry over here. The little birds stayed in here. Yeah. Wow. We'll go around the back side and climb up it. I don't want to go up the barnacles. Yeah, this is so cool. Yeah, so from Long Beach Tofino, British Columbia, there you have it. Another nice evening. We enjoyed the sunset, dipped our feet in the Pacific Ocean. We had a nice snack on the beach. Yeah, it's been a great day. We did a few hikes. We went and saw the downed plane, a bomber. That was a tough walk in, actually. Tough walk in and out.
We went to Radar.
Oh yeah, we went to Radar Hill. And we went through the rainforest loops. That was a good day for sure. So anyhow, that's it for today. Starting to get dark. And we are going to partake. So,
there's a sign.
Hang on, Tina wants to show you something. What is it? Let's see what it says. It says you got to climb up and risk your neck.
Whales.
Whales.
Whales. So they talk about whales.
So it's a plaque dedicated to whales. We actually seen whales yesterday. We saw the blowholes, the water shooting up.
We were far away though.
Yeah, they were far. But still, we could tell it was whales in the distance. So, I think we're going to go up the stone here. Wow. Now, one of these rocks is called Incinerator Rock.
Wow.
That's how it's gotten its name. Oh, look at that, eh? Tide pool. It's probably rainwater deposit. There's grass here. There's more up here. Awesome. There you go.
Wow.
So, from the top of Incinerator Rock, I don't know if it's really Incinerator Rock, it's probably the bigger one. But anyhow, we'll call it that. At Long Beach Tofino, British Columbia. And DanTheVanDan
Miss Tina.
saying cheers. Get out there and enjoy the day. Ciao for now. See you later.